Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruj. Welcome to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Vedya. Children, we are having civics, standard 7, chapter 5. And the topic we are having role of media in democracy. And this is my second video of this lesson. This is part 2. Today we will see the media and ethics. Children, the media play very important role. As earlier we have talked that media gives information. It gives information of all area, everything. But in this lesson we are giving focus about the democracy. So media play very important role in a democracy. It has the power to bring all the positive and the negative activities of the government. It gives all the positive or negative knowledge, the deeds, the doing of the government. That is why media has to be very cautious. It has to give the truth. It could not give any wrong information because it will harm to the country. So we'll see some of the topics. The news must be reported with truth and honesty. If it is true, then people can react if government is in the negative in the sense. If it is positive in the sense, the people can be happy with the government and the government can be re-elected. So media has to be very cautious about giving the information about the government, whether it is positive or negative. The media should provide opportunities to the all poor and minorities to express their views, because it is a democratic country. India is a democratic country and all people are equal. So the poor and the minorities has also right. If they are violated, if they are neglected with the government, by the government, they can raise voice. So media gives opportunities to these people to repress, to express their opinion. Next, the media should refrain from mentioning the race, religion or nationality of the subject of news stories. It makes control. It doesn't give any reference of religions, race, nationality of subjects. Also, the media should be fair and neutral while reporting facts. The media should be based, balanced. The media should give balanced information, balanced news. It should be free and fair in regarding the giving the news information to the people. Otherwise, it can be harmful and dangerous for the nations as well as for the people and the government. Media must have respect for the privacy. Some people, the respected people, the honorable people, if they go out anywhere for a certain reason, personal reason, that media should do not publish. It should keep the privacy. It is their personal matter. It is their personal reason. So media has to make control giving such type of news and information to the people. So media has to have respect for the privacy for the personal people. Now see legal checks. legal checks. The office of RNI, Register of Newspaper for India. That means Register of Newspaper for India was established in 1956, and if any media, a newspaper, press reporter, they have to register their name, their company, their media's registration's name, then only they can telecast their information to the people. So it is very important. The General Broadcasting Code adopted in 1962, which is otherwise called Program Code for both All India Radio and Doordarshan, provides the following. This broadcasting code of 1962 gives certain restrictions to the media. They cannot give certain information to the people. So we'll see what they have to make restrictions and control. First, criticism of friendly countries. They cannot criticize means आलोचना करना, अनाप शनाप नेगेटिव बातें बोलना पड़ोसी देशों के बारे में, they cannot do. Attack on religions or communities. They cannot attack on any particular religion or communities and can speak like anyway negative things to give effect of the people. They don't have rights to do so. Anything absence or defamatory incitement to violence or anything against maintenance of law and order. Anything amounting to contempt of court. Aspirations against the integrity of the President and judiciary. Criticizing a person by using his or her name. Anything affecting the integrity of the nations. So these are the certain restrictions on media. They could not telecast, they could not publish. They have restrictions. Talking about aspirations against the integrity of the President and judiciary. The President or judiciary, if certain works they do, certain judgments they do, media has no right to criticize their judgment because they give fair information, fair judgment to the people according to the rules and regulations. So media cannot give any criticism. Media cannot criticize their judgment. So these are the certain objections on media by the General Wording Code of 1962. Now we'll see importance of right to know in a modern democracy. It's talking about importance of right to know in a modern democracy. In a modern democracy, the people have a right to know the happenings, the work the government is doing or the any government offices is doing. That is talking, it is very important. That is why earlier we have talked that media has to give very truth and right information to the people. We should have adequate information on a particular issues. If media gives unbiased news, wrong news, it can be bad effect on the people. It can be bad effect on the government. So media has to be very careful. The media should be honest. Government should be also honest. It is important for the citizen to have access to government records. So what is media is giving information about the government, the people should record it. And if they found any wrong, they can express their views. They can present their opinions. Through the media, it will be reported to the government. Then only the government will check the abuse of power and misgovernment and the corruptions. If the people have certain records and accordingly if they present their opinions, their views, then government will check their misuse of their power, mismanagement and corruptions. It is beneficial to the government also. It will be very beneficial, it will be very good for the government also. And if they have done the mistakes, they can correct. A right to information. In 2005, a right to information, a new act was passed. According to this rule, right to information, people have a right to get information about the governments and about the works the government officers do. According to this, talking about, it is applicable to the whole of India except Jammu and Kashmir. Right to information, it is a new rule. According to that, whole people all over India except Jammu and Kashmir. Now Jammu and Kashmir also has come into the nominal and same as other states because 370 is removed from the states, so it has come into the same right to information. So people can get information. All citizens have access to information. All people, not a certain classes. All people have right to get the information. They have right to inspections of records of public works and the sample of materials. Public information officers help citizens to get the desired information. Officers, talking about the public officers, the government officers, help the people to get their desire, their information. They have to do. A nominal fees is applied. No fee is taken to get such type of information. No need to give reason why they want to get the information. No need to give the reason. Just they want to check the work of the government, the work of the officers. Information is provided within 30 days of receipt of request. If you want to get the information, you are given the application, you will get the information within 30 days. Otherwise, the officer will be taken into task. He will be punished by the high officers. Okay children, so this is the end of the lessons. The role of media in democracy we have gone through. Again in the next video we will see the question answer of these lessons. Write the question answers and give your answers with the objectives and then get the copy corrections. Thank you, bye bye. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.